Hello dear students, this is Vivek Paivan and you are watching lecture on cash crop sugar cane in Bharat. Sugar cane is a very significant and important cash crop in India. Almost 50% of this sugar cane crop used for the purpose of making jaggery good and 30% of this sugar cane for the cultivated for the purpose of sugar, and after that 20% is for another use. We are going to discuss all the things about sugar cane cultivation, sowing, processing, and what is the product of byproduct of sugar cane. We can also read in this chapter. So this historical background, it is recorded in the record of the expedition of the Macedonian king Alexander uh, in 325 BC. Indus Valley. Sugarcane has been especially mentioned. The cultivation and refining of the sugarcane spread of 100 BC from India to China, but reached Europe only about 636 AD, and Africa and Brazil in the 1400 years. Okay, in 1493, Christopher Columbus introduced sugarcane to Louisiana, USA, and Caribbean islands. Today, the leading sugarcane growing nations in the world are Brazil, India, Cuba, China, and Mexico. As you know that China is Cuba is called sugar wall in the world. Now, what is the sugar cane producing? What is the tropical regions? What is the regions? So sugar cane is like a grass, and it is perennial crop. Cultivated area on the world is tropical and semi-tropical area, and this is called tropical and semi-tropical grass, in which stem used for the purpose of study stock, and it is 2 to 4 meter, and diameter of this sugar cane is 4 centimeter. Sugar cane grows from a thick, solid root stock. The numerous stalk have no branches but have long, narrow leaves arranged in two rows. What is the geographical condition of this crop? So, students, geographical condition is very important for any crops, and you can never cultivated any crops without its fulfill geographical condition. So temperature 20 to 30 centigrade is good for ideal condition for this crop, and sugarcane is sowing between January to April. Frost is injurious to growth of sugarcane plant. When it's come to talking about rainfall, 100 centimeter to 200 centimeter, it requires rainfall and plenty of water during growing period of this crop. Okay, irrigation may be necessary if there is no good rainfall in that particular area, and irrigation may be necessary. Growing season is usually 9 months, and water logging has been avoided as it reduces the sugar content. When it's come to talking about soil, soil should be alluvial, lava soil, and well drained. Sugarcane is soil exhausted, so regularly needs nitrogen fertilizers. A short dry season for ripening and harvesting is necessary. Skilled labor for sowing, harvesting, and other processes is essential for this crop. What is the sowing or propagation of this crop? There are three methods of sowing sugar cane. One is by seed, which are sown between January to April. This method is almost outdated. It is archaic method, obsolete method. So this time it is not in a use. The SAT methods is this time we are going to use, and the set method consists of cutting of the two or three joints. As you know that sugar can having so many nodes and semi nodes, so three joints and two joints taken from the top of the healthy can and planted it in the horizontal and equidistant 1.5 meter to 2 meter apart, and furrow and peel with fertilized soil. Okay, within 2 weeks the buds on the nodes swell and burst, and a young stalks emerged from soil. The leaves appear soon after, followed by appearance nodes and internodes. Third method is root-on cropping. So rat-on cropping is the process by which the sugar cane is cut close the ground where the sugar content is concentrated. After the crop has been cut and the stem begins to grow again and produce second crop called racco. There are some advantages and disadvantages of this sowing method, racco. So what is the disadvantage? Disadvantage in India, we usually have only one raton crop, as it is soil exhausting, yielding thinner cans with a less sucrose. There is also an increasing risk of pest disease. Advantage is that raton cropping is labor saving, decreased cost, and matured earlier. As you know that harvesting and of this crop within 12 months and 12 and a half months. So now the time for harvesting of this crop. It depends on types of crop. Some crops harvesting after Sali, that means 12 month, and while another is Adisali, that means 18 months crop. Harvesting starts before can begins to flower, and if it is a rattan crop, it is cut very near ground using machine or curved knife, as sucrose is concentrated at the base of the stick. The cutter also strip off the leaves and cut off the top stalk at last matured plant. Okay, so the can is then taken to the nearest sugar factory. After that, it will be processed within 24 hours. The juice is removed, boiled with a lime and or citric acid, stirred and filtered. After total production, about you can say 50%, as I told you earlier, used for good in India, in Bharat, 30% for the white sugar. Juice is crystallized by adding lime. Look at this. From here to here, we have nodes and semi nodes like a structure. So one of the reason why north sugarcane cultivation shifting from north to south. As you know that this time South India and the Maharashtra is a good cultivator of sugarcane. After independence, sugarcane has been cultivated, had been cultivated in North India. What is the reason behind it? It shifted in South India. The shifting of this crop in South India, the region was first we go. What is the problem in North India? So problem in North India is that small farms in India and Since sugar cane cultivation is soil exhausting and the farmer have depends on irrigation, so in North India, in Bihar, UP especially, having no good availability of irrigation, and poor cost of production will be increased if we use irrigation and some modern methods. uh, our farmers are not good, having not good wealth, and sugar mills also in North India being old fashioned. So this is the reason farmer leading to delay in crushing and loss of sucrose. The price are fixed by the government and does not depends on quality. So farmer are dissatisfied. In North India, on the other hand, we have South India on the other hand, Maharashtra and South India, states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, and Andhra Pradesh are becoming increasingly important production of sugar cane and sugar because eh, here is ideal geographical condition and good method of agriculture process of, that is scientific method, and farmers of this area using fertilizers containing nitrogen, okay, and capital investment tremendous due to sugar lobby in this area, Maharashtra and South states of Bharat. So, and also one of the region, good region is institution located at Coimbatore and successfully conducting research on improving hybrid variety which much higher sugar content. Okay, that is the reason why sugarcane cultivation shifting from north to south. Look at this producing country in India. This is the 2017-18 data we have. UP is number one in production on in a ton. So UP, Punjab, Haryana, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra, and South Indian state Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. So we have good production in each and every years this time of sugar cane, and export of import of sugar cane is not going to happen in these years. So guys, this is all about sugar cane. Thank you so much for being with me.